environmental organizations and international environmental conventions. Question 1. Not All Animal Migrate by Choice campaign is launched by A. Wildlife Crime Control Bureau of India and UN Environment. B. International Union of Conservation of Nature and Worldwide Fund for Nature. C. Wildlife Crime Control Bureau and Interpol. D. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Border Security Force. Question 2. Consider the following statements with reference to Wildlife Crime Control Bureau. 1. The Wildlife Crime Control Bureau is a statutory multidisciplinary body under the MoI FCC. 2. X-ray images of wildlife products catalogue were released by WCCB to curb the smuggling of contraband wildlife products. Which of the above statements is are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 3. Which among the following are recognized globally important agricultural heritage systems sites in India? 1. Darjeeling Himalayan Tea Estates. 2. Kuttanad below sea level farming system of Kerala. 3. Nagpur orange cultivation. 4. Koraput traditional agriculture of Odisha. 5. Pampore saffron heritage of Kashmir. Select the correct answer from the options given below. A. 1, 2, 3 and 5 only. B. 2, 4 and 5 only. C. 1, 3, 4 and only. D. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Question 4. The Union Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change recently released the Vision 2021 to 2031 plan in reference to A. Restoring and protecting the biodiversity of the West Ghats. B. Phased introduction of biofuels for the country's transport sector. C. Limiting the use of hydrofluorocarbons as per the provisions of Kyoto Protocol. D. To upgrade the zoos in India to global standards and strengthen the Central Zoo Authority. Question 5. Consider the following statements with respect to Urban Services Environmental Rating System, users. 1. Users is aimed at improving basic services like water supply, sewerage and solid waste. 2. It is funded by the United Nations Development Programme and executed by the Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change. Which of the above statements is are correctly mentioned? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 6. Which of the following statements is incorrect with respect to International Energy Agency? A. The International Energy Agency is a Paris-based autonomous non-governmental organization. B. It was established under the framework of the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD, in 1974 in the wake of the 1973 oil crisis. C. It is best known for the publication of its annual World Energy Outlook. D. India became an associate member of the International Energy Agency. Question 7. Consider the following statements regarding Convention on the Conservation of Migratory Species of Wild Animals. 1. The agreement was signed under the auspices of the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change and is concerned with conservation of wildlife and habitats on a global scale. 2. Bonn Convention was established for the conservation and management of terrestrial and avian migratory species, and the aquatic migratory species are covered under Nairobi Convention. 3. India hosted Conference of Parties, COP13 to Bonn Convention in 2020 and will be the president of COP to Bonn Convention till 2023. Which of the statements given above is are correct? A. 1 only. B. 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 8. Consider the following statements regarding Convention on Biological Diversity. 1. The convention was opened for signature at the Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro in 2002 and entered into force in 2003. 2. The Cartagena Protocol is a legal framework for implementation of access to genetic resources and the fair and equitable sharing of benefits arising from their utilization. 3. The Nagoya Protocol seeks to protect biological diversity from the potential risks posed by genetically modified organisms resulting from modern biotechnology. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 9. Consider the following statements regarding CITES, the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora. 1. CITES was conceptualized in 1963 at a meeting of the United Nations Environment Programme that came into force in 1975. 2. CITES is neither legally binding on the parties nor it take the place of national laws. 3. Species that are in danger of extinction are kept in Appendix 3 of CITES. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. None of the above. Question 10. Consider the following pairs regarding wetlands of international importance under Ramsar Convention. Ramsar CITES states: 1. Ansupa Lake, Jammu Kashmir. 2. Chitrangudi Bird Sanctuary, Andhra Pradesh. 3. Kanjarnakulam Bird Sanctuary, Tamil Nadu. 4. Thane Creek, Gujarat. How many pairs given above are correctly matched? A. Only 1 pair. B. Only 2 pairs. C. Only 3 pairs. D. All 4 pairs. Question 11. It is a source book that maintains an international list of all endangered animal and plant species. The book helps us in providing complete information for research, studies and also for monitoring the programs on rare and endangered species and their habits. It is maintained by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Identify the book from the options given below. A. Green Data Book. B. Black Data Book. C. Red Data Book. D. Blue Data Book.